Today I'll show you how to make your own sourdough starter. Day 1. Mix 50 g wholemeal rye flour. With 50 ml warm water. Cover the jar with plastic wrap and poke holes. This gives the sourdough starter enough oxygen and prevents it from drying out. Let the sourdough starter rest at about 25 degrees Celsius, 78 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours. Day 2. After 24 hours, the sourdough starter should be slightly runny, and small bubbles should have formed. Add 50 g of wholemeal rye flour and 50 ml of lukewarm water. Mix well. Cover the jar with plastic wrap and let the sourdough starter rest again for 24 hours at room temperature. The microorganisms start to work, and allow your sourdough starter to rise. Day 3. The sourdough should have formed lots of bubbles and smell slightly sour. Now give 50 g of wholemeal rye flour, and this time only add 30 ml of lukewarm water. Less water makes the sourdough starter a little bit firmer, so it should not overflow too prematurely. Mix everything together. Cover the sourdough starter with foil. Let it rest again for 24 hours. Day 4. The sourdough starter is almost ready. Give again 50 g of wholemeal rye flour and add 30 ml of lukewarm water. Mix everything. Let the sourdough starter rest for the last 12 to 16 hours. Look how it is growing. Day 5. Starter is ready. Now you can bake great bread. Feed it to keep it alive long term. Add about 2 tablespoons of wholemeal rye flour and add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Put the jar in the refrigerator. The cold slows down the microorganisms. The sourdough starter can then survive for about 7 days and should be fed again. Hope you liked this tutorial. Bon appetit!